Hello everybody! How are you guys feeling today? Because your emotions are very important to me. I like to know how you guys are feeling. Because some days I feel really happy. And some days I feel really sad. Sometimes I feel so excited. And sometimes I feel surprised. How are you feeling today? Well, I just want you to know that it doesn't matter how you feel, it's your emotion. And it's okay for you to express your emotions, okay? They're all okay. I am going to present you with the question of the day. Our question of the day reads, which of these insects start with the letter A? So I have two pictures here, and I want you guys to look right on the screen. What is this? Good job. This is ant. This is an ant. And what is this one? It is a fly. Fly. So which one of these two pictures start with the letter A? Is it the fly, or is it ant? Ant. Do you remember the sound? Which one of these start with the letter A? Wonderful. You are so correct. It's not the fly. No. And the correct one is a thumbs up. Ant. Ant starts with the letter A. For Antoinette. Does your name start with the letter A? Yeah? If your name starts with the letter A like mine and Ant, then you are correct. Or if you even have a letter A in your name, it's great to have an A in your name, but we want something that starts with the letter A, ant. Can we spell the word ant? A-N-T, ant. Can we say it one more time? Ant. A-N-T. Good job. You did a fabulous job. You are so correct. Ants start with the letter A. Can we say goodbye to ants for now? Yeah? Goodbye, ants. See you later. Our objective for today is to identify and to name 5 insects. How many insects? 5 insects. Does anyone know what insects are? Well, if you don't, I am going to tell you guys what an insect is. Insects are small animals with a body part divided into 3 parts. 6 legs and usually with 1 or 2 pairs of wings, okay? And the insect has 3 main body parts, which are the head, the thorax, which is the middle of the middle part of the insect, and the abdomen, your tummy. Can we do it one more time? The head, let me see you touch your head. You want to be an insect. The thorax is the middle part of an insect. So usually I feel like the chest. And then the abdomen is the insect tummy. Now let's look at a picture of an ant. You see right there? Let me see if I can get a picture of an ant. Ant, Where are you? Ta-da! Look, remember our question of the day? We have an ant start with the letter A. So the ant has the head. This is the 3 body parts. The head, the thorax, and the abdomen. That's the insect tummy. Okay? So the head contains the antennas. Look at them. The little antennas right there. Can I see? Let me see. Let me see you. Show me how your antenna look. Antenna. So the head contains the antenna. Can I see you do your antenna? It starts with the letter A. The eyes. Let me see you do your eyes. Peekaboo. And the mouth. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. That's what the head contains. Okay? Now let's talk about the thorax. The thorax is the middle body part to which the legs and the wings are connected. Look right there. You can see the thorax. Right here. And you can see it right on the screen, the thorax, which is the middle body part. It contains, look at the tiny legs, the insect legs. And it has some insects with wings. They have wings too. Some ants have wings. Okay? And then we have the last thing is the tummy, the abdomen. It's the tummy. You know what it contains? The tummy. So now you can see that insects have 6 legs. How many legs? 6 legs, not 8. 6 legs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insects have 6 legs. Now that you know what insects are, we are going to start identifying some insects. Good job! So are you excited?
Yes!
To see all the different kinds and types of insects? Yes?
Yes!
How many insects are we supposed to be identifying today?
5.
5. Very good. If you say 5, show me a thumbs up. Good job. You are correct. We are identifying 5 insects. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay. Now let's see. What insect is that? Good job. It's a ladybug. Ladybug. Very good. If you say ladybug, you are correct. It is a ladybug. It starts with the letter L. Good job. Do you know that ladybugs eat a lot? They do. They eat a lot. Now let's look at another insect. What kind of insect is this? Right there. What is it? You are right. It's a fly. It starts with the letter F. Fly. Can you say fly? Fly. You guys are so smart. Do you know that flies really help us a lot, even though flies are very annoying? Flies have important jobs like recycling animals. Do you know the recycle animals? They help to keep all the bad smell away. If not, it would have been really stinky when you go to the farm. And also, one thing you want to know about flies, don't leave your food open because fly like something nasty, poop. They like poop. If you keep your food open and flies visit your food, you don't want to eat that food anymore because flies love poop. That's really nasty, right? That's why it's important for you to make sure you close your food and put it in the refrigerator. And the next insect is, oh, what is this one? Start with the letter B. Who can guess? It's flying. Good job. It is a butterfly. It starts with a B. Butterflies are so beautiful. They fly from flowers to flowers. Do you like butterflies? You are so smart. You were able to tell me that. This is a butterfly. Good job, guys. And the next insect is an ant. Look. Some ants have wings. We've been talking a lot about ants and you've seen it several times. You've seen it several times, right? Ants are everywhere. Sometimes you need your magnifying glass to see them because some of them can be really, really tiny. What's this insect called? Do you know? It's a wasp. Can you say wasp? Wasps are helpful to farmers. Without wasps, we would have problems. Do you know that? Without wasps, most of our food will be ruined by other insects. So wasps really helps all the farmers to make sure they keep the food safe from being ruined. Do you know that? Wasp, guys, wasp. Can you say wasp? Yes. They are nice, but if you bother them, what do you think would happen? It's going to stink you. So you want to make sure you leave them alone. Don't mess with them, because if you mess with them, the wasp is not going to be happy, or wasps are not going to be happy. So when you see them, leave them alone because they are very helpful to keep our food safe from other insects, okay? So guys, let's look at what insects have in common. Insects have 6 legs and 3 body parts. Remember, we have the head, the thorax, and the abdomen, the tummy. And do you know that insects move very quickly in the environment? And you can find insects everywhere. You can find insects outside. You can find insects in your house, on the street. You can find insects everywhere. So guys, I am so happy that we all have a good time learning about insects and the different things that insects are capable of doing. You did a terrific job. Circle time is over. We're all done. Circle time is over. Circle time is over. We're all done. Goodbye.